Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2014 Ford Focus SE, stock number B9288P. Only 35,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue candy metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean inside and out, as you can see. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges. Get only 35,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9288P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.